right, so there's one more thing we need to do before we can export this out to an SVG, and that is to take this text and convert it into outlines. So I saved that for last in case we made any edits or wanted to change it. Once you're happy with that, then you have to create the outlines, because the text won't go out as an SVG. You have to make them as outlines to get the outline of each piece of text. All right, so I'm going to click over here under properties, and I'm going to click create outlines, and that creates the outlines of all the font that is in the guitar. All right, now you can ungroup those or release them, but you don't have to. You just keep it as outlines. Now we're ready to export. I haven't saved this, but I would recommend that as you go through each step that you save the image. So I'm going to go ahead and do a save, and I'm going to call it Freebird, and we'll click save. Just go ahead and accept this the way it is, and now you have an Adobe Illustrator file of this that you can come back and adjust. Now, what I would recommend too when you save this, or as you save this, is before you create the outlines of this font, save it as another image and then do the outline. That way, if you want to come back, it's easy to change the font, right? So you can reuse it. You could possibly do the same with this, but it's kind of up to you. I think actually now, I look at this, maybe I want to make some adjustments on these lines and tweak those. But again, it's best maybe make a copy of this as you go along. That way you can always go back to where you started if you wanted to redo this. So because I've converted to an outline, I don't have the shape anymore, right? I don't have the font. It's not font, so I can't edit it or change the lyrics. So that's why I'm saying save it as another file, so you always have something to go back to. Okay. Next video, I'll show you how to export this out.